Hunter is one of the best email finding platform with over 3 million plus worldwide users and a huge database of 100 million plus indexed email addresses. With advanced search filters, Hunter not only helps you to find email addresses, but also help you to verify those emails in real time. Being one of the highest rated platform in finding email addresses, Hunter is also the choice of some of the top companies in the world. So today in this video we are going to discuss about Hunter and its feature and how to use those features to find and verify email addresses. Hey guys, my name is Akash, you're watching MrAakash YouTube channel and this is Hunter IO review and tutorial. So to start finding email addresses with Hunter, you first have to sign in with Hunter. If your email search requirements are not too high, then you can sign up for their free trial in which you will get 25 free searches per month. You can find 25 emails and verify them per month without spending a single penny. But if your email search requirements are higher than that, their paid plans are also very affordable. Their first plan starts from $49 per month and their last plan, which is the biggest plan, is business plans that costs $399 per month. You can choose any paid plan according to your email search requirements. So if you want to sign up for their free trial, I have put the link in the description from where you can start your free trial easily. After signing in with Hunter, you will be able to enter your dashboard. Dashboard of Hunter is very simple and intuitive. As you can see, all the search filters and other features are right in front of you on the top of your dashboard. Hunter offers 3 search methods which we are going to learn one by one. The first search method is domain search. As its name suggests, this search method helps you to find email addresses of any company or domain. For example, if I enter here adamandfoy.com and press this search button, all the email addresses related to adamandfoy.com will be presented in front of you. As you can see, this particular domain has this email address. This email address is also verified by Hunter. As you can see, it shows that this email address is verified. From here, you can directly export this result into your CSV file. You can also add this email address into your list of leads, or you can set direct email by Hunter. You can also see all the sources from where this email had been collected. Alright, the next search method is email finder. This search method is more specific. For example, if you want to find email address of a person that works with a particular company or that works on a domain or a website, this email search method is for you. To use this search method, you have to type full name of the person and the company name or domain name. For example, I'm typing here Harsh Agarwal and the website name is shoutmeloud.com. As you can see, we have one email address with this domain, and this email address is not verified, but it has given 85% confidence score by Hunter. This email has been collected from all these sources. As you can see, just like the previous method, you can also save this email address to your list of lead or can send an email directly from here. The next search method is my favorite, and as I'm a blogger, it helped me a lot in finding email addresses. What it basically do, it helps you to find email addresses by using link of any article online available. For example, if you read any article online and want to contact with the author of that article, this email search method will help you. You just simply have to copy the link of that article and put it here in the search box. Press the search icon and the email address of the author will be presented in front of you. So these were the 3 search methods of Hunter. Alright, as I said before, Hunter also verifies email address. So if you want to verify a single email address, you can do that, or you want to verify a complete list of email address, you can do that too. Using email verify is completely easy. You just have to enter the email address right here in the search box and press this verify button, and within a second your email will be verified. If you want to verify a complete list, upload a full list of your email addresses and you will get the results. Along with finding email addresses and verifying them, Hunter also provide a number of advanced features like this mail tracker. This mail tracker helps you to track the status of your sent emails. You can track whether your email had been opened or not. You can easily track how many times your email has been opened, how many times link in those email has been clicked. All this status of your sent emails can be tracked easily by using this method. This mail tracker is completely free and it is a Chrome extension. You can install it right from here and can start using and tracking your sent email addresses. Apart from that, you can also use their tech lookup feature. This feature is also completely free. What it basically do, it helps you to track all the companies that are using a particular type of technology. If you will enter any technology in the search box, it will present all the companies that are currently using those technologies. It helps you to target specific kind of company that are using a particular kind of technology. So I find this feature also very interesting. You can enter any technology name and will get the results. Apart from that, Hunter also offer a number of Chrome extension for finding and verifying email addresses. It also offers Firefox add-on that you can use for Firefox browser. Now there is one more feature that I have left for the last, and that is cold emailing feature. Yes, you can also host cold email campaigns directly from Hunter, and you know what, it's also free. You just have to sign in with Google or Microsoft and can start hosting your cold email campaigns. The best part of this cold emailing campaign feature that you can send completely personalized emails. You can schedule your email campaign dates, you can track your emails, and you will also get hundreds of old email templates completely free, so you don't have to start your email campaign from scratch. So this feature is also very amazing. Overall, Hunter is a great email outreach and email finding platform at affordable price. I'm using it from a few months, and I found it completely helpful and affordable. Its prices are very low in compared to other platforms. I know it can improve a few areas, but at this price, this platform is completely amazing. So if you want to try this platform, as I told you before, I have put the link into my description from where you can start your free trial. And this was my review for Hunter.io, and I'm gonna see you in the next video. Till then, adios.